too bright and too big. It was big and it was too bright. So the sun was very hot. In our space, we are far from the sun. It will cold. If we near the sun, it will be hot. So we cannot live in our space. And also, other planets don't have living things. They don't have oxygen. They don't have trees. So we cannot live in other planets because they don't have oxygen. So we cannot breathe in other planets. So Earth is the only place that has living things. So the next one is globe. So here is a globe. This is a globe. So a globe is a round object that is the model of the Earth because Earth is the round object too. So it's the model of the Earth. It has all name of the country. The country in the globe. It was like the Earth, but it was smaller. So here is Vietnam, and it's near Laos and Thailand and Cambodia too. So, and also China. So in this country, so the globe is the model of the Earth. So it shows all of the country around the Earth. It has Australia, the island around the ocean here. It has the ocean. Down here, down the globe, and up to the globe was the North Pole and the South Pole. So that was a globe. This was a globe. So the next one is land. Land is the hard surface of Earth. So here, all these orange, green, pink, yellow, purple one was land. And bright pink, bright green, and harsh green or something. So the land is the hard surface on Earth. If it was hard, we could stand on it. If it wasn't hard like the water, we could only stand on it, and we cannot stand. So we stand on the land, and all this one was land, and this one was the ocean. So it was a hard surface. It was very hard. So it could hold a lot of tower buildings, and also we could walk on it. We cannot walk on water. We could only walk on the sand. So these are the land. The land. You can step on the land, but we cannot step on the water. We will sink down to the bottom of the ocean. So the next one is continent. Continent is a very large area of land. So here you can see that there's a lot of large area. There's Australia, China. It was not Ukraine. I don't know. This one, and also Brazil. I think it's Brazil. So there's a lot of big country. So this big country are called continent. And they have a very large area of land. So this, what's the name of this? I don't know. So that is the continent. This is a continent, Australia, a continent, maybe America and Canada. All the big country or land because we can step on this. So they are called continent. So the next one is ocean. Ocean. So ocean is a large area of salt water that covers most of Earth. So if we have salt water, so it was a large blue area. So these were the ocean. It was salt water. I don't know why. I think that someone poured salt in it. So, but long ago it was still salt. So it was a large area of salt water. It was a large area of water, not a large area of land. And it was salt water, not only water that we drink. Not this water, it was salt water. So it's covered most of the Earth. Yes, you see, it's covered most of it. Land only a little bit here. The ocean ocean. It was very big. So the next one is compass rose. But the compass rose was only on a map. But I don't have a map either. So let's.
Bóng ơi.
So compass rose is a symbol that shows direction on map. Here I have drawn one, but I don't really have one. So here you can see this one. It was a compass rose. It was like a rose. It wasn't a rose. It had northwest, east, south. So it was a symbol that showed direction on map. It was a compass rose. It was not. It was, because it looked like a
Anh
rose.
nhìn con anh được.
It's looked like a rose.
Cứ nằm trong đấy mà làm sao?
So this was the map of the world. Maybe I should shoot the map. So here you can see that a lot of country. I don't know what kind of country because I just draw something. I don't. So a map is flat, this flat. But a globe is round like. Just like Earth, because Earth is round too. So the globe is round, so that's just like Earth. So the next one, they both show Earth, land, water. Here they both show Earth, land, water. So here, this is water and this was land. It was a land and it was a water. The water was a very large amount of it. Water was almost all of the Earth. So this was Earth, land, and water. So there are 7 continents, meaning that there are 7 large areas of land. The first one is Africa. I don't know. I am lazy to find Africa in here. So the next one is Australia. Here, Australia. It's an island. It was very large, so it's also called a continent. Here, it was down straight here. The next one is Antarctica. So where's Antarctica? So it's almost here on the North Pole. The south or the north, I don't know. North, maybe north, I don't know. Maybe the south, maybe the north, I don't know. So Antarctica is covered by snow, but beneath the snow was land. So Antarctica was also a large continent too. Here, maybe it's usually here. I don't know, maybe north or south. So it's north. I think it's north. So Antarctica was beneath the snow of Antarctica was land. So it was very big. So the next one is Europe. Europe was a big country. Yeah, Europe here. And right here, next to China, maybe next to it, it was still a little bit far. So Europe, I see that it wasn't big at all. It was kind of big. So Asia is it's here. It's all here. Asia. It's to Iran or maybe Iran or Egypt. Maybe it's all here. And then here it's the other one. Here and here. So Asia is like, it was not a continent, it was not a country. It was a continent, it was not a country. It was from a lot of countries go together. So and the next one is North America and South America. I don't know where it is. North or south down. North up. I don't know. But there's 7 continents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 continents, but only 5 oceans. It's Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean, it was near India. It was very easy to know. And also Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. It was very large. It was big. It was very big, just like China, just like all the Asia. But it was bigger because water was the biggest part of the land on Earth. So that is the end of today here on Earth. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. see you again. Bye bye.